A New York-based cultural organization is set to celebrate Holi with fervour through special festivities including a puppet show, art activities, Indian dance workshops to commemorate the Indian Festival of Colors and spread awareness among communities in New York about Indian culture. The Culture Tree, which promotes cultural literacy about South Asia in partnership with New York City's cultural epicentre, the Seaport, will host a special celebration on the occasion of Holi on March 19th. The array of Holi festivities aimed at not only celebrating the festival but also teaching the community about Indian culture will feature a puppet show, art activities, and an Indian dance workshop and performance. The puppet show, Colors of Krishna's Love, will highlight beautiful moments from Krishna's childhood and celebrate unconditional love and friendship.